Reopening the Twin Bridges track is a really important component of the northern section of the Wangetti Trail. It gives people a bit of a taste of what's to come in terms of that rainforest environment, which is very different. It is in pristine World Heritage Wet Tropics rainforest and provides a real adventure for mountain biking and bike enthusiasts.
This trail is a linkage to the Wangetti Trail, the ultimate design of 90 kilometres from here to Port Douglas. And the good news is that it's really minimal impact. It's an existing trail. It's 18 kilometres long and it's a natural trail, so very minimal impact. The width hasn't increased. We've only opened up and done some minor trimming and we've reinstated some bridges. But it's a really good adventure trail and it varies from 400 metres down to 300 metres above sea level, and it's fantastic rainforest.
To have this track reopened for the community, the locals, but also to us Indigenous people, First Nation too as well, because we can get to share this track with the locals too as well, because this track has a significant for us as a story place, but also connection to our neighbouring tribes.
It's very remote, but it's also very unique. You don't get this anywhere in the world, in ancient rainforest, down an old historic logging trail.
Adventure at its best here in far north Queensland meant